Hello everyone, this is Jessica from Evangel. Our company is located in Shanghai, which has an experience of more than 12 years in exporting construction machinery. Today I'm gonna show you around our warehouse in Shanghai. Can't wait to see the beautiful machines. Let's go! Okay, now we are in the warehouse of our company, which is near to the Shanghai seaport. And this big guy in front of us is XCMG ZL50GN wheel loader. Today, let me give you a brief introduction about it. This machine is a standard configuration and the cape is 3.5 cbm. And it is also optional. You can choose the accessories you want, such as snow bucket, fork. And next, let me show you the engine. Please follow me. And the engine of the machine is WECHAI, you can see here. And it is also optional. You can choose Shangchai, Cummins, and other brands if you like. Now look at the cape. It's very big, and let me show you the inside. It is very comfortable and also with the air conditioner. And the horizon of the driver is very good. If he has some emergency to do, he can do it at once. It is the best seller of all the XCMG wheel loaders. We have sold more than 30 units so far in 2020. And any requirements, please feel free to contact me. I'm sure we can satisfy all your needs. What are you waiting for? Contact me now.